This is the guided practice for 10.2. We're finding the surface area of rectangular prisms. Okay, now this one, they had broken it apart for us. So we just need to find the surface area of each rectangular shape. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one right here. I know that the way to find the area is the length times the width. So we have this side times this side. And if I do that, it's 3 times 2.4. 3 times 2.4 equals 7.2 meters squared. Okay? Now, this shape right here, they're showing it by color. It's going to be the exact same as this, because this 3, so this is 3 meters. This is 2.4. This has got to be 2.4. Okay? So this right here is 7.2 meters squared also. Now, let's find this one right here. We have 2.4 by 2. So we do 2.4 times 2. We get 4.8 meters. Now this one, this blue, is going to be the exact same, because if this is 2 right over here, this has got to be 2. So this is 4.8 meters squared. Okay. Now, we just have this one and the center. So this side is 3, this side is 2. 3 times 2 is 6 meters squared. And this is going to be a 3 by 2 also, which is 6 meters squared. Now we just add them all up. So 4.8 plus 4.8 plus 7.2 plus 7.2 plus 6 equals 36 meters squared. Okay? Let's go over here. Now, this one we don't have broken apart, but we know the formula. And the formula is surface area equals 2 length times width plus 2 times, well, let's see, length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times height plus width. Okay? So, this right here is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. So, surface area equals 2 times 10.25 times the width of 5 plus 2 times a length of 10.25 times a height of 6.5 plus 2 times a height of 6.5 times a width of 5. Lots of numbers. So now we have to do all the multiplication first. 2 times 10.25 2 times 10.25 times 5. So this right here is 102.5 plus 2 times 10.25 times 6.5. This is 133.25 plus 2 times 6.5 times 5 equals 65. Now we just add them up and see what we get. 102.5 plus 133.25 plus 65 equals 300.75 feet squared. And you have found the surface area, because you found this and this and this and back there and down here and back here. You found all the sides, the area of all the sides. Okay, let's go to 3. Same type of thing on this one. Surface area equals 2 times length times height plus 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width. Okay. We just have to times everything together and then times it by 2. So we have surface area equals 2 times 15 times 2 plus 2 times 15 times 7 plus 2 times 7, well, that's actually the height is 2, times the width is 7. Okay, let's put these together. 2 times 15, 30 times 2 is 60, plus, that's 30 times 7 is 210, plus 2 times 2 is 4, times 7 is 28. And when you add all of those together, you have 60 plus 210 plus 28. You get 298. The unit is centimeters, and it's squared. Okay. Number 4. Tomas keeps his die-cast car in a glass display case which is shown. What's the surface area of the glass, including the bottom? So all the areas. Okay. So it's going to be 2. Oopsie. Surface area equals 2 times length times height plus 2 times length times width plus 2 times height times width. So we have a surface area equals 2 times the length is 15 times the height, times the height of 5 plus 2 times the length of 15 times the width of 6 plus 2 times the height of 5 times the width of 6. Okay. 2 times 15 times 5, this equals 150 plus 2 times 15 times 6 equals 180 plus 2 times 5 times 6 equals 60. And then 150 plus 180 plus 60 equals a total of 390 inches squared. Okay? So, once you use the formula and you know what the length is, the width, and the height, you are good to go. You just got to take your time, make sure you have the right numbers in the right places, multiply correctly, do that first because of order of operations, and then add them and add carefully, and you should get the right answer.